Hey developers, how are you doing guys? Welcome to Developers. My name is Amin and I'm here to teach you something about developing. Be with me and please do not forget to subscribe. Let's go. Welcome back developers. We are going to take a deep look at awesome world of developing. Developing world is an endless world that we are going to take a great journey on it. And now I want to start to talk about our roadmap and tell you about our plan and how you can be a great developer in Developers. As most of you guys know, developing separated to two main parts, mobile and web, that each of them has two sections, front-end and backend. Backend is same in both of them, that I will talk about it later. But now I want to talk about what is front-end and what is backend. Front-end developing is something that is related to the appearance and the design of your applications. Everything that you see on your website or applications like buttons, links, animations, and everything that is related to design. This is the definition of front-end developing. And about backend, something that you do not see is about backend. It's developed some databases that make you save your data and server side and actually everything that is related to backend, and most of logic of your applications is developed by backend languages. And now I want to talk about front-end web developing. Front-end web developing is related to the appearance of your websites that has some tools like HTML and CSS and CSS frameworks like Bootstrap, Tailwind, or Foundation. And now the question here is, what is frameworks? Frameworks are something that developed for programming languages that make your code more simple, faster, and actually cleaner. It's better to say that frameworks are some frames for your work that make your coding faster, cleaner, and, as I said, more simple. It's the definition of frameworks. And also front-end web developing has a great programming language that's called Javascript, JS. And its famous libraries and frameworks like React.js, Vue.js, and Angular, that I will talk about it later. And about mobile developing, I should say, and I should refer to some languages like Java, Kotlin, Swift for iOS, and Flutter, that in the current time, most of developers use Flutter to develop mobile applications. And about backend developing, backend also has some languages, programming languages that are famous like PHP and its important framework that's called Laravel, and also JavaScript and Node.js. These languages and these speeches, guys, that I told you about developing was the whole and general schema of developing, that I will talk about most of them in Developers for you and teach you to become a great full stack in Developers. But now I want to talk about front-end web developing and actually JavaScript library called React.js. It's most famous and important library of JavaScript, React.js, and I will talk about everything that is related to it. In the next video, I will start React.js and I will talk about React.js tutorial roadmap in Developers. Do not lose our next video. And be sure you have subscribed Developers. Hope to be useful, guys. Be nice. Farewell.